Hello everyone, we are Sentinel Tech. Today we are discussing about agricultural robots. Agricultural robots, also known as agribots, are advanced machines that have been developed to assist farmers in their farming practices. These robots use artificial intelligence and other technologies to automate several farming tasks, making them faster, more efficient, and accurate. There are different types of agriculture robots and each has its unique functions. Here are some of the common types of agri robots and how they work. Type 1 harvesting robots. These are robots that have been designed for perform the laborious and time consuming task picking the fruits, vegetables and other crops. Harvesting robots can identify ripe crops through sensors and cameras and then gently pick them without damaging them. These robots are faster and more efficient than human labor, which can help reduce the cost of harvesting and improve the quality of the produce. Type 2 seeding and planting robots. These robots are used for planting crops. They use GPS and other technologies to accurately plant crops in soil. This reduces the chances of overcrowding, which can lead to stunted growth of death of some plants. Type 3 weed control robots. Weeds can be nuisance to farmers as they compete for nutrients and water with crops. Weeding robots have been designed to identify and remove weeds while leaving crops untouched. These robots can help reduce the use of herbicides, which can be harmful to the environment. Type 4 soil management robots. These robots can be used to analyze soil and determine which fertilizers are best suited for particular crop. They can also help monitoring soil moisture levels and other soil parameters to ensure optimal crop growth. Type 5 livestock monitoring robots. These robots are used to monitor the health and well-being of livestock. They can track the animals' movements, feeding patterns, and even detect sign of illness, which can help farmers identify potential health problems and take the necessary steps to prevent the spread of diseases. In the conclusion, agriculture robots are revolutionizing the farming industry by reducing labor costs, increasing efficiency, and improving crop yields. As technology advances, it is likely that we will see more agribots in the field, helping farmers to meet the growing demand for food. With the ability to perform a wide range of tasks, these robots are set to become an integral part of modern agriculture, leading to more sustainable, profitable, and efficient farming practices. Thank you for watching.